It is a rainy morning, and it was raining yesterday night also, and it's still continuing. I didn't think Goa received so much of a rainfall. I'm kind of getting bored by the rains now. Can't go out, can't do anything, can't even go for a walk. Yesterday night, an interesting thing happened. I spotted a firefly right inside our house. It was near the door. I want to go check on it. Yesterday's firefly is sort of fighting for its life. I don't know what happened, but maybe the phenomena struck again. You know, the ones I said where a lot of flies who die every morning, and since fireflies fly, the same thing happened to it. Let's try turning it over and see if that helps. It feels a little weak. Super wet clothes. The jeans is playing a test match. It's like 5 days and it has not fully dried yet. And I think it will win today. Good job. What has happened is that the control key on my laptop is not working, and for that reason I'm not able to control C, control V faster, so it's taking some time for me to work. So I'm going to just see what can I do to fix this control issue. The first thing I'll do is just turn it upside down and see if any debris or anything is stuck in that button. Nope, doesn't work. Let's see if the bare button works. Oops, it doesn't. I've just taken a small tissue paper and made it a little wet. Just gonna clean it and see if that helps. Nope, is not working. The control key is in its place. Perfect. So nothing worked. I don't know much of troubleshoot after this, so I'll just restart the computer and see. So I restarted the computer and it worked for once, the control key, and then it stopped. So I've just shut down my computer for like 5-10 minutes. I'll hard reset it. You just do it by pressing the power button for at least 15 seconds. Now I'm gonna start it. Let me just try. Oh no, it's not working. No, I can't even control Z it. Okay, it's not working, so the control key is down. I have to use my right hand control key now. The rain has still not stopped and I don't feel like going outside, so the only option I have to eat over here is the popcorn I bought. So here we have the popcorn. I think it's ready to burst. Popcorns are popping. A nice hot plate of popcorn in the rains. My work in the office is a little less today, so I'm gonna make lunch: dal, chawal and potato fry.
I just realized that we don't have any potatoes. So instead of potato fry, let's make omelette.
My omelette is going to be a lazy one, I mean easy one. So break 3 eggs, put some coriander in, little salt, then mix it well. Heat the oil in a pan and then pour our omelette. Instead of the usual way, just shake it a little to get a more fluffy omelette. You don't have to flip this omelette. This is the omelette. It'll just, if you have a lid, just close it for a while and let it cook from the outside, from the upside. Okay, our omelette is ready. It doesn't have to be dry. A little wet is tastier, so that's right. So let's keep it as it is and turn off the stove, and it's ready to serve. So that's my lunch. Finally, the rains have calmed down. I don't know till when this Shanti will be there though. Yesterday I had a plan of eating Vada Pav, but it was a very busy day. So today I guess I have time. If there's nothing post 6 p.m. in office, I'll actually run to get Vada Pav because I need to cross that jungle-like path in between called the shortcut. So I need to go fast and come back faster. When I came in Feb, there was not even a single drop of water. Now it looks like a river. I seriously don't know how safe is this path, but we are almost there. You can see the road. I have to make sure to cross the water path before the sun goes down. The time is 6:15. Here comes the local bus. एक वड़ा पाव और बटाटा भजी. Back in time to cross the guzzling river. I just don't stamp on any snakes. Alright. This is the Vada Pav and this is the Batata Bhaji. This is 3 pieces for 20 rupees and it's like fat, literally it's fat. It's not a slim bhaji which we get. It is has sort of a bhaji. I don't know what exactly is this, but it's a little heavy. It's not the thin slice which I thought. And this is the Vada Pav. First impression, everything is very oily, and as I said, the bun is so hard. Just listen to this. I have no idea how to chew this. So kadak, the kadak pav. Inside is soft, but that's my evening snack.
Rock god hair going and all of that.
Yeah, it was a mandate in Bangalore.
It was indeed.
If you play any sort of instrument,
taking a closer look into the bhaji gives me an idea that first they make the potato bhaji and they again dip it in the chana atta and again they fry it. So it seemed like it's a double coating of the chana thing, and then it's the thin slice of potato. Today the temple is has got some live singer, and it's so beautiful. There is a girl or woman singing the same abhangs which used to play in the speaker. Now it sounds so good. Let me make you hear it. Now, I don't know if it is a live singer or is it just a new version of the song which they are playing. That's why the clarity. But yeah, it's sounding good. Done editing the video. It's being rendered, and probably in 15-20 minutes I'll be uploading it to YouTube. I'm thinking of uploading the videos before 10 p.m. Because I feel maybe I'll get more engagement if I do that before 10, because after 10 maybe people are going to sleep or they're busy with their life. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's see how it happens from tomorrow. Today was a short episode, so it was very easy to edit. Let's see how much footage I have today, but I'm thinking of editing everything before 9 and uploading by 9:30 or before 10 at the max. That's a plan.